There's no like true goal with what you're supposed to make. You go start rummaging through materials and discover the world of upcycling.
All right, so we got both bags that we are harvesting from. I think for now my plan is to kind of make a really simple flat pouch. We'll see how it goes. I think we're going to cut this entire front panel off, wrap it around to make a little crossbody sling. We're going to slap this on the front for a little quick access. I think we're going to turn this into a top entry pouch. It'll probably be that high. Make it a little side satchel. Quick little update, it is no longer a crossbody because of reasons. It's fine. We ended up with this little Dyneema-ish flat pouch with a little stretch pocket on the front, another little slip pocket on the front of that, and a little mesh divider on the inside. We ended up using the same liner that was originally stitched onto this, this panel. So there's a little too much fabric in there, but once you kind of have this loaded up, it doesn't really feel that bad. Easily fits to your phone. Phone also fits in the little front holster. And yeah, that's about it. This was a really fun experience.